This is again the same sort of subject. Rasul Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that had I ordered anybody to prostrate to anybody, then I would have shared.
Wife,
yes,
to husband.
Yes.
Yes.
So the interpretation or tafsir of this hadith, she wants to know.
I think, first of all, he never said that. But he wanted ladies to be dutiful to their husbands and take care of all their requirements, etc. So that is the metaphorical expression only. There is no time for your song today. Already, this time is over, and I came on time, didn't I? Next time, inshallah. Okay? Inshallah. And then there is no time for your questions either, because I must go to refresh my wuzu and return to the namaz. So in the meantime, you distribute these